Fruits are often called nature's candy, but did you know that you might be making simple mistakes that could be ruining their health benefits? Whether you're tossing peels or chilling bananas, these common fruit blunders could be sabotaging your nutrition, and you don't even realize it. Let's dive into 5 fruit mistakes you might be making and how to fix them. Ready to level up your fruit game? Let's go. Mistake number 1. Throwing away fruit peels. Think about it. How many times have you discarded the peel of an apple, banana, or citrus fruit? Well, here's the thing. Those peels are actually packed with fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients. For example, banana peels are a great source of potassium, while apple peels have antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Instead of tossing them, consider blending them into smoothies or using them in recipes to unlock those hidden health benefits. So next time, think twice before you throw them away. On to mistake number 2. Pairing fruit with processed sugars or heavy toppings. We all love a good fruit salad, but when you douse your fruit with sugary syrup, whipped cream, or heavy dressings, you're undoing all the good stuff. These toppings spike your blood sugar and add unnecessary calories. Instead, try enjoying your fruit fresh and pure, or maybe with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Let your fruit shine without the sugar overload. Now, mistake number 3. Did you know that some fruits are better off at room temperature? For example, bananas, avocados, and tomatoes actually ripen better outside the fridge. Storing them in cold temperatures can stop them from reaching their peak flavor and texture. So before you stash that fruit in the fridge, double-check if it needs to stay cool. A simple change in storage can make all the difference. Here's mistake number 4. You know that feeling when you bite into a banana that's still green? Or when you get excited about a peach that's a little too mushy? Well, eating fruit before it's ripe, or after it's over-ripened, can mess with your digestion and reduce nutrient absorption. Fruits like bananas, peaches, and avocados taste when they're fully ripe, so check for the right texture before you take a bite. Trust us, your taste buds and gut will thank you. And finally, mistake number 5. You may think that fruit is clean just because it looks fresh, but it might be covered in pesticides, dirt, or even bacteria. Whether it's conventionally grown or organic, always wash your fruit thoroughly before eating. A simple rinse under cold water can help remove harmful residues. Remember, a little extra care goes a long way in keeping you healthy. So, there you have it. 5 common fruit mistakes and how to fix them. With just a few simple changes, you can make sure you're getting the full health benefits from your fruits and truly enjoy what nature has to offer. But wait, before you go, we want to hear from you. Do you have any fruit tips or tricks to share? Or maybe you've been guilty of one of these mistakes? Drop a comment below and let us know. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fresh, and enjoy those fruits.